Welcome all. Welcome to Kulkarni's Academy of Mechanical Engineering video lectures. Today I'll discuss, it is just a 10 minutes video, and this actually was asked in so many interviews. That's why I thought it is useful for you people. Okay, today's topic is unit of refrigeration. Okay, what is the unit of refrigeration? It is actually ton of refrigeration. I repeat, ton of refrigeration. Refrigeration. Okay. That is TR. Exactly what it is, let us see. Some people ask me, sir, why are you not writing TONNA? And why are you writing TON? If I write TONNA, is there any problem? Chalo. So I'll address to all these questions. Okay. Let's see what exactly is a ton of refrigeration. It is actually, whenever you see the term ton, it just reminds us of, it is the unit of like mass. Okay. Dekho. Actually, let us take 1 ton of water. 1 ton of water at 0 degrees centigrade, which is at atmospheric pressure. I repeat, 1 ton of water at 0 degrees centigrade at atmospheric pressure. Let us remove heat. Okay. Please note down that my aim is to convert this water at 0 degrees centigrade into ice at 0 degrees centigrade. Focus on that 0 degrees centigrade, and this process is carried out in 1 day, that is 24 hours. So let us assume that I have started the experiment today at 8 o'clock in the morning. So I have taken 1 ton of water which is at 0 degrees centigrade, and I started removing heat, and I adjust this heat transfer in such a way that this complete 1 ton of water gets converted into ice at exactly 0 degrees centigrade. So याद रख लेना यहाँ पे, focus करो. You focus on 0 degrees, 0 degrees. There is no temperature change, means there is only phase change. So whatever this heat transfer is there, it is latent heat. And we know that the heat transfer is given by M into latent heat. Okay. Now, I want heat transfer rate. Very good. I want heat transfer rate. Okay. And this heat transfer rate that you have removed from 1 ton of water at 0 degrees centigrade to convert it into ice at 0 degrees centigrade in 1 day is known as 1 ton of refrigeration. Now the real problem starts here. In interviews, this was the question asked. Okay, now observe here. Let's calculate heat transfer rate. Mass. Generally, what reminds me is 1 ton means 1000 kg. Chalo. Latent heat. You know, the latent heat of fusion of water is 334 kilojoule per kg. And 24 hours. Hour ka matlab 3600 second. Observe here. Mass, kilogram. 334 is what? Kilojoule per kg. And this is the time. 24 hour. Hour ko 3600 mein convert kiye, so it is second. So kilojoule per second is kilowatt. Now let's try to calculate the value of this. Let me check what the value of this is. 1 second. 1000 into 334 by 24 by 3600. It is 3.86 kilojoule per second, that is kilowatt. But please note down that this is not the ton of refrigeration. Then what is that? There is a difference between British ton and American ton. I repeat, there is a difference between British ton and American ton. What is that? Let's see. British ton Now I am writing TONNA is 2200 pounds, which is nothing but 1000 kilogram. And American ton. So when I am writing American ton, I wrote TON. When I wrote British ton, I wrote TONNE. You might have observed that when I wrote ton of refrigeration, I wrote TON. Means this is American ton. 1 American ton is 2000 pounds. That is 907 kg. तो यहां पे डाउट आएगा. So while calculating ton of refrigeration, which ton are we taking? My dear students, it's not this ton we take, it is this ton. It is just a convention. So now let's calculate. So we have water at 0 degrees centigrade. Remove heat. Now this is ice at 0 degrees centigrade. And in how much time you are carrying out? 24 hours. So whatever the heat is removed from 1 ton of water, but please note down that it is not British ton, it is American ton. So let's calculate what is that heat transfer rate. M into LH, because whatever the heat is removed, it is the latent heat. M. Please note down that it is not 1000 kg, it is 907 because I am taking American ton. So latent heat is 334 and it is 24 into 3600. Let me check the value of this. 907 into 334 divided by 24 by 3600 and it is 3.5. Excellent. This is 3.5 kilowatt and this is known as 1 ton of refrigeration. So now I'll define very clearly what is 1 ton of refrigeration. It is the amount of heat that is to be removed from 1 American ton of water at 0 degrees centigrade to convert it into ice at 0 degrees centigrade in 1 day, that is 24 hours. So yaad rakhna. So in interviews they may be asking, so you know 1 ton is 1000 kg and the latent heat is 334 and if it is removed in 24 hours 3600, so it is 3.8 something. Then why are you taking it as 3.5? Then your answer should be, sir, in calculating ton of refrigeration, it is not British ton 1000 kg, it is American ton, that is 907 or 2000 pounds that is taken. And please note on that 1 ton of refrigeration is nothing but, when I use ton of refrigeration, it is not the unit of mass, but it is heat transfer rate. And you say, I have 1 ton capacity AC system or whatever it may be. It means if you say 1 ton, it is 3.5 kilowatt. Kilowatt means kilojoule per second. It means when you have 1 ton capacity plant, in 1 second, this much is the heat transfer rate. Heat transfer. So ton of refrigeration, which is the unit of refrigeration, is nothing but heat transfer rate. But which mass are we taking here? American ton. That's why when I write ton of refrigeration, please note down that we should write TON of refrigeration, because I'm taking American ton, which is nothing but 907 kilogram, which is nothing but 907, or we can write it as 2000 pounds. So therefore, so we are not taking British ton. So observe carefully. Observe. Simple things are always complicated. So, and I have seen in some of the books that, so he he takes 1000 kg and he gets the answer as 3.8 and he says it is rounded off to as 3.5. How can you round it 3.8 to 3.5, but why not 4? So that is, please observe, simple things are always complicated. So it is American ton, which is 907. 907 into 334 by 24 hours, that is 24 into 3600, that is ton of refrigeration. Thank you, my dear students. We'll come up with some more videos. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.